Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're ready to jump on the super cute trend of wearing ballet flats, then you have got to get a pair of these ones from Chicmyth. I just love these super sophisticated and classy flats. They're from the Coco Era collection, and they're made with this really beautiful jacquard fabric. It's plaid and has different textures and colors to it that I think are just stunning. I got mine in pink, but there's lots of other colors to choose from. I really like the accent of the chain as well. It just is so classy, and as you can see, looks good with a pair of slacks or a dress. I normally wear a size 7.5, so I wasn't sure if these would fit me because they don't have half sizes. So I went ahead and sized up to a size 8. Now you can see that I measured my foot and what that looks like next to the shoe. But when I stand in these shoes, they fit perfectly. You can see there's about a half an inch worth of room. So I would say if you're on the half size, go ahead and size up. I just can't say enough how adorable these are. There's a little bit of padding on the inside too, so they're comfortable and they're super lightweight. I just love wearing them at any opportunity. You will not be disappointed with these shoes. They're high quality, they're well made, they're so cute, and there's so many different colors to choose from. So go get yourself a pair or 2 or 3. And that's my point of view.